In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use indicators in TradingView, such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. These tools can be incredibly useful for analyzing financial markets and making informed decisions. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the TradingView website. You can easily find it by searching TradingView on your preferred browser, or simply enter the URL directly if you have it. TradingView is a robust platform that allows you to track all sorts of market data from around the world. It serves as an incredibly versatile tool for both novice and experienced traders. Once you're on the site, look for a way to open a chart. Usually this option is quite visible from the homepage. Once you've accessed a chart, you'll want to add indicators to your workspace. Look for the FX or Indicators button. It's usually located at the top of the chart within the Tools section. Clicking this will open a menu that displays a multitude of indicators you can apply to your chart. This step is crucial, as indicators are essential tools that can help interpret market data through visual means, such as lines and histograms. Next, you'll notice a highlight option or something similar popping up on your screen. Clicking on this highlight allows you to access more specific tools and functionalities within the chart that you may want to use later on. Highlights often serve as quick access points to your most used features, saving you time and effort as you work. Afterwards, find the option to add an indicator or strategy to your chart. This is where you can customize your trading experience by applying tools that suit your strategy best. Look for a section or link labeled Add Indicator / Strategy related to your selected market or instrument. Here, you'll find an extensive list of options available to you. To get started with some of the most popular indicators, search for RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands. These are powerful tools that many traders rely on. RSI, for example, helps determine whether a stock is overbought or oversold, providing key signals for potential trading opportunities. MACD, on the other hand, is great for understanding momentum and trend direction, while Bollinger Bands can indicate volatility and relative price levels. Once you've located these indicators in the list, click on Moving Average Convergence Divergence or any other indicator you wish to add to immediately apply it to your chart. Doing so will display the indicator within the chart, offering a visual representation that integrates seamlessly with your existing data. There you have it, a streamlined process for incorporating indicators into TradingView. Make sure to explore the different settings for each indicator, as customizing them can really tune your analysis to better fit your trading strategy. Happy trading!